This heat wave is going to be crazy. You see that? It's already started working. And you can see I'm all dripping. Right, it's absolutely sweltering in the UK and it's only about to get worse. And it's incredibly dangerous for your plants, especially if you've got lots of tender plants that need watering regularly. And of course, if you work away or you're spending time away or you're about to go on holiday and you can't water manually, then potentially you're in real trouble. So I'm about to show you, if you've got one of these, exactly how far you can push it and exactly how much water you can get to your garden while you're away. So fundamentally what these are solar powered drip irrigation systems. And they come in various different shapes or sizes. This is the Gardena AquaBloom L. It's a fabulous bit of kit. And I've got it watering about 3 or 4 different zones in my garden. It is really reliable and you can set the mode so you can give even more water during a period like this, which is exactly what I'm going to be doing. And then you've got these little guys, same principle, but they don't pump as much water, but they do work really, really well. I mean, it's amazing what you can actually run off of these things. And you've got, again, 2 pipes, an in and out, one from your water source, another going to irrigation system, and a simpler but still very useful mode select, so you can increase the amount of water that's going to your garden. I'm going to turn it on and change the mode to go to 10 minutes every day now. You already hear that going. Great bit of kit. If you don't want to splash out for one of these, it's about 130 quid on Amazon. Like I said, each one of those is about £30. I've got 2 of those already, and then I've got an Irrigatia, which is a damn good system as well. That's about £80, and that's what that is running. A lot of my cordon tomatoes here, and a lot of the standalone pots as well, either side of where I'm sat. So that should keep those nice and healthy. Let's turn on this bad boy. Just going to whack him round to the tap symbol. Yeah, you can hear him running. So let's go and see what he's doing. So ordinarily, this is my cold frame area where you protect things from frost, but you can use it in the exact opposite way to protect things from heat. And I'll show you what it's doing. So all of these pots at the moment are on systems. There's one there dripping away like fury, just there in the dahlia pot. And then I've got a whole bunch of spares that you can see now, all those lines ready for additional pots to go in here. And then I take it all the way around the outside, so I can use this empty space now to bring pots into if I have to protect them. And then it's running things like my lettuces, more dahlia pots there, some tomatoes. Let's have a look, see, dripping nicely. And then I've teed off of it, so it's running these long beds here. There's a mixture of kale and smaller cherry tomatoes. It's all on the same system. So that's that whole area I just showed you. I've just zoomed out so you can see how substantial it is. It's not small. All in all, I've got about 50 to 60 emitters running a really good flow rate off of that one Gardena system. It really is fantastic for things like this. It's first rate. And I can get, what, another 20 to 30 pots in that area, all of which have got an emitter waiting for them, so they do not die while I'm away. The other thing I wanted to show you is how you can set one of these things up so quickly. If you do get one, I've just repurposed this. It was redundant over in the vegetable patch, so I'm just going to knock it up now for use of the cold frame, and a whole load of pots that are just behind me right there that are going to need some as well. Right, water source. I've got this big IBC container here, as you can see. There he is, there he is. Drop the high-low sensor in as well. Oh, I nearly died. Just like, oh, you can hear it operating. You see that? It's already started working. Most of it's coming out of there. This guy's in there like that. Whack it on that one. Like that one. Done. You can hear it working. I've literally just rested it on the top. Chucked it into the water source. Set up the cold frame. I've only got a few things there, but there's no point in letting them die. And then run an extra pipe all the way down to this crazy system here, which is basically a flexible pot system. And you can see I'm all dripping beautifully. Let's have a look from there. Lovely. Loads of water coming out. Really, really happy. That will keep all of that safe. So really, I just made this video on the haste because you don't have to lose your plants. I mean, this heat wave is going to be crazy, but you can keep them alive easily and for cheap. And not only that, once you've done it, you don't have to water them again. You can set it in a way that just saves you loads of time. It's a bit of a game changer once you've discovered it. I really do like the systems. So there's plenty of other videos on my channel about each of those individual systems, about how to set them up, timing and the modes and the difficulties and all that sort of stuff. So you can click through those if you want to. But other than that, if you don't, then just follow that briefly, get yourself one bought on Amazon or somewhere else, and get your plants and flowers safe and happy. But anyway, for now, I'm the Military Gardener. Absolute pleasure. Take it easy.